Hi everyone, hope all of you are doing well. Friends, in this video, I'm going to talk about a website which I think is very useful to learn English for beginners. So let's get started right away. So friends, the website which I'm talking about is called listenaminute.com. I feel that this is a very useful website for beginners because number one, it is arranged in a alphabetical order. As you can see, A, B, C, D, E, F, and all the topics which are covered out here are fairly simple topics, nothing complex. And this is exactly what a person at a beginner's level needs. So let me click on one of them and tell you how you should use this particular website. So the moment you click on a particular topic, there is this 1 minute audio recording on that particular topic. So let me play that.
learnenglish.com. Actors. Being an actor must be great. I really wish I could act. I'd love to have the confidence.
So I'll close that recording now. It goes on for a minute. And the best part about this website is that this person is speaking very slowly and he's speaking in a very neutral accent. Because what happens at the beginner's level is that people log on to websites, they hear this American and English accent, and then they kind of never come back to it because they don't understand it. The other thing you could do is if you want a PDF and a Word document of this particular narration, you can do that. You can click on that, a PDF and a Word document will download. Then what you should do is you should take quiz 1. Now here is quiz 1. What you need to do is you have 3 options given out here, and you need to click on them and form complete sentences. And it is very important that you hear the audio first, otherwise you will not be able to take the quiz. So let's try out a couple of sentences. So I think the first one would be B. Being an actor would be. Then I think the second one would be C. Being an actor would be great. And the third one could be I wish B. So as you can see, this goes on, and I have scored 100% on the first 3 ones. You can keep continuing with this and form sentences. If you press the wrong option, it will tell you that you are wrong. After that, you could also take quiz number 2. There is a quiz 2 also on that particular topic, which kind of is a little complex, but can help you in your English language journey. So this is quiz number 2, where you will have to listen to the audio and put the words here, and this will tell you whether you are right or wrong. So friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you like it, please press the like button and do subscribe to my channel because I keep coming up with videos on English language and communication skills. Thank you and have a wonderful day.